Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen yummy. Forget bland instant noodles. We are transforming them into a gourmet experience. First, select a premium instant ramen packet as your foundation. Next, we will enhance the broth with a few simple additions, creating a rich and flavorful base. Finally, learn the secret to perfectly cooked noodles that are never mushy. Get ready to enjoy truly delicious ramen. A truly yummy ramen starts with an incredible broth. Instead of just water, try adding about 1/2 cup of chicken or vegetable broth to your pot. For an extra layer of umami, stir in 1 teaspoon of rich miso paste until it fully dissolves. A dash of good quality soy sauce and a few drops of toasted sesame oil will complete your flavorful base. This simple step makes a huge difference. Now for the fun part, toppings. A perfectly soft-boiled egg, cooked for exactly 6.5 minutes, adds creamy richness. Sauté some thinly sliced mushrooms and fresh spinach until they are just tender, then add them to your bowl. Finish with a generous sprinkle of fresh chopped green onions and some crispy nori strips for texture and a hint of the sea. These additions elevate every bite. Your gourmet ramen is almost ready. Serve it immediately in a large, warm bowl to maintain its temperature and flavor. For those who enjoy a little heat, a small drizzle of chili oil can add a fantastic spicy kick. Remember, presentation enhances the experience, so arrange your toppings beautifully. Check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your incredibly yummy homemade ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.